It was stuff Oreos presents. We got paper, ruler, paper is the user, better for the kid, paper be the ruler. Let's get it.
We came up with NSS because we saw an opportunity to turn an everyday item into something more efficient and useful for students. It is durable, recyclable, and good for the environment. When you buy NSS products, you are giving back to the community because every item we sell, we make a duplicate to give to a needy child in your town.
Money's the motivation, money's the conversation.
Oh my gosh! What is that? That is so cool!
Oh, there's some school supplies I got made out of paper.
That is so awesome!
Yeah, a friend showed me about this paper, some good old school supplies.
That's so good for the environment. Oh my gosh! You're so
And every
cool.
time somebody buys something, you know what I'm saying, donate to somebody, and somewhere else that,